Hey guys, my name is Rudy. Welcome to Rudy World, and welcome to continuation of Windows 7 issues. So, you guys watching on YouTube, it's been about a week. In actuality, it's been about 3 weeks over here. Ran into some problems, so every time I do, like I said, this is part of doing stuff and things. Here's what happened. I did the system prep. You can look at the video in the earlier video for this on how to do that. Everything got rolled up completely as it should be. The problem came is when I decided to deploy this on the new machine, this one. So, my phone battery was dying, the thing was starting to restore, and my phone battery died as I was commenting about watching paint dry, and I came back to the computer and it's turned off. Actually, what I didn't pay attention to is my monitor turned itself off. I made the mistake of turning off the computer, which resulted in following error. I got a picture of this and I can read it to you. It says, computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error. Windows installation cannot proceed. To install Windows, click OK to restart the computer and then restart the installation. Well, here's the problem. This is a never-ending loop. To fix this, if you should run across this, what you want to do is you want to press Shift and F10. And then you want to go into the registry, and this is, let's see here, H key local machine, system setup status, and this child compilation thing over here. You want to go ahead and hit the value, change the setup value to number 3. It's set at 0 or 1. This is how you get this thing to bypass. It took me quite a while to get this to work. Again, that address is H key local machine, system, setup, and status. So we're going to continue where we left off. Next thing is going to happen is it's going to start as if you were installing Windows right out of the box. You're going to have an account ready that you're willing to work with, a new account that you can later delete. So here we hit next. And it did forget the name of your computer, so we can put that in here. I can type in look. There we go. Let's see, underscore. Yeah, let's do underscore. In 7. Oh, can't do that. Okay, let's do. We need to put it together here. I can always change it. No special characters allowed. Password. I'm not gonna bother for this account. Product key, we can, like I said, if you run the Jelly Bean program before you did this, like I advised, you can put in your code, since we're on the camera here, and you can always put in the code later, or it may have remembered the old code, I'll figure it out, or you put your product key in here. This is something that you'll need. This is a Service Pack 1 warning. You want to accept that. Sit a little closer. Your recommended settings here. Clock is off. It's actually, I think, 5. I'll have to look at that again. Check what time it is even. I don't even know. Next. Finalizing your settings. So when we get done with this, I'm going to go through a couple more things. There is still the digital problem, the blue screen, the Starforce issue, or any other unregistered file. I'll show you how to take care of that. In the previous videos, things you might be interested in, we covered the Jelly Bean and other system data, sure your product codes, BIOS settings, and the whole thing that got this thing started. The whole reason that we had to do it this way, we can just move the drive over from one computer to the other, is the blue screen of death because of 7B error, which is the AHCI option and the SATA and ID option being removed from most modern day operating systems. Let's see if there's anything else I want to cover in here. Like I said, if you guys are running Windows 7, the whole point of doing this is I had a lot of problems getting even any help on this topic. End up really researching this myself, and just like all things on this channel, if it's something I had problems with, chances are there's somebody else that has those issues, and that's kind of what makes my channel work. Give you a quick tour of my computer while we're waiting here. This is a custom built case. I had this built in Utah, and I've had this for several generations of computers and motherboards that have been in here. This is kind of extreme. If I was going to stay in IT, which I didn't, I was going to do this as my resume piece. Those are all Blu-ray drives. These are all regular SATA drives. There's 8 of them. And down here on the bottom, there's missing one, but it's going to be 3 tape drives. Tape drives kind of look like this. And we're still finalizing. This takes much more than I'm going to pause the video, or I'm going to make another continuous video. I think in here all that's really left to do is create another account to log into. You'll have your Windows back. Once you know that, you can log into one of your old accounts. You will be fine. You can delete this account. So next up will be the blue screen or black screen due to that SFS sync 04.sys, and that kept this thing from booting, but that was just a corrupted file. That was a Star Force. It was made to protect video games, but it just made to annoy the rest of us, I think. Okay, there are my accounts. What did I put this one under? I think test was the one I chose. Maybe. Looking pretty good. First time it's going to be kind of slow. Look at that. We are back. I will only bet though when I reboot this we're still going to get that one error. So we'll talk about getting rid of that. Okay guys, that's it. If you have any questions or problems with your Windows 7 reinstallation, moving, or any Windows 7 stuff, please let me know. Till next time, take care.